is day 2 of our cruise. Today is a sea day, so we're at sea all day today. Last night when we got on, we did not leave. He took a shower and we literally went to sleep.
Time.
Yeah, because we drove down here yesterday, and then as soon as we got on the boat, activities were going on. So by 9 o'clock, we were pooped. So we're finally up-ish.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Look out our window. Well, we do have an obstructed view, so just keep that in mind. But so there is a little bit of a life raft right there. I don't know why I said that. But yeah. So last night, the boat was like rocking. Like when we were up, and moving, it was rocking. But once we fell asleep, he said it felt like you're sleeping in a waterbed. I slept good.
Felt good though.
Yeah,
felt good.
We slept really, really good. So
it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. So we're
actually, it was the best sleep I got like maybe 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, it was really good. Well, cause
I slept all night.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it was really good sleep. So we're gonna get up here shortly and go get some breakfast.
A munch. Got a munch.
Yeah, and then probably there's a lot of different activities today. We'll go to that. I just chill outside on the Lido deck and go to the pool and stuff like that. But just chill. We met some cool, I don't know if I mentioned it, met some cool people. Allison and her husband, I think I did, her family. So we're gonna go to the spot where they're always hanging out at and talk to them again.
Yeah.
And just enjoy our time.
And we met grandma and son.
So we're yeah.
He loves you because of Tracy.
He just made me look. He's messy. But hopefully tonight we'll be able to hang a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Because last night it was a wrap. It was a wrap. I was exhausted. So today should be a better day. We are heading to get breakfast right now. See what everything looks like. And it's a lot of water.
We drank a pills.
Huh?
Go drink a pills.
Yeah, I brought them. Hey, you know I got us. Okay. Now we're about to munch. Go. Oh, it's closed.
Yeah, it's stuff for later on.
So where do we go?
Right there.
Oh, we're going
Yeah.
in there.
That's right, what you doing.
I don't know. We'll ask. Excuses.
It's probably 8 o'clock. It's like 7 o'clock. It should be 7 because they're showing up at 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7:45.
Oh yeah, breakfast grill. The breakfast grill. Breakfast grill. Mmm. It doesn't look like anything's open yet. Doesn't look that way, does it? So let's see what we got here. So I got a grapefruit, trying to stay on my healthy kick. Some potatoes, eggs, grits, ham, waffles with a little bit of nuts on it. And this is a sausage and spinach pastry.
Try anything.
Huh?
You try anything.
Yeah. And then he trying to be a little bougie, so he didn't get a lot. But he got the grits, the potatoes, the bacon, and that. So we about to munch and enjoy our breakfast. He's taking us on a tour. We're just exploring. We have no idea where we're going. It's really nice. Are we gonna go up?
Yeah, we're going up.
Okay.
We'll go sports deck first then.
Okay.
See what's in
The sports deck. Watch your step, baby. Oh, it is cool. Nothing too extravagant. Youth programs. Oh, they even got like a teen club. Club O2, 15 to 17-year-olds. It's crazy. Oh, that's a spa or beauty salon. That's for under 2.
Checking everything out.
Oh yeah, it's like Camp Ocean, so it's 2 to 11 year olds.
Okay.
Camp.
Oh, okay. So does the parents just drop the kids off?
So you register them and then they can drop them off. And then we do activities and stuff like that.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right here.
What's in my hand? Push.
This is locked. Oh, these doors are heavy. Yeah, that's true. We're going up. Some more. Up. Oh. What's in here, babe? Come on, baby. I think you just. Oh, putt, yeah. What's in here? We don't know where we're going.
No. For the walking course.
Oh, these are just rooms. Yeah.
Yeah, just trying to find it.
This is cool.
There you go.
Just deck 10, correct?
Yeah.
If you're sitting there at the Lido deck, you look one deck up. That's where the golf section is.
Oh my goodness, this is so nice. So nice.
That's the golf.
I guess we'll be all the way around.
Do you want to play now or no? Just come and looking. Alright. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Hey, we're just looking. So we're just still. Yep, it really is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is awesome. Oh. Oh, this is probably the walking course they're talking about. This may be it. This is awesome. This is awesome. So yeah, now we're just still exploring, but I think this is a sun deck because there's nothing but empty space up here. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. We're just enjoying ourselves because we don't really have anything planned for today, so we're just really just walking around enjoying ourselves.
It's cool right here though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I think the camera, I don't know if it's below.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's nice. pretty cool. Smile, babe. It's a video.
Oh. You think you mad at us?
No, probably. This is the. Baby said this is a satellite up here somewhere. If you guys can see it, I don't know. It's really bright out here. Yeah. But we're just chilling.
Just exploring.
Taking it. What time is it? You know? Like 8. Like early in the morning.
Yeah.
Time changed last night or this morning, so we've been up early. Just chill.
Well, it would have been 7.
Yeah. Something like that.
It could be a story that we experienced time change.
In the middle of the ocean.
In the middle of the ocean.
So cool.
Yeah, that's what we do. We're going down and try to find our way down there.
Oh yeah, there's some, like the front of the deck, the front of the boat is down there. I'm trying to see if I can see. Okay, the front of the boat is down there, so we're gonna try to find our way down there. See if we can find that area. We're on a hunt.
I think those are the big cameras.
So we decided to come to an art auction before we head over to the pool and get lunch. So this is some of the cool art that we are looking at. Hey, baby.
Oh, I was walking and I just...
Oh, sorry. I had to... Lion King? The Lion King one? Lion King. Oh, yeah, it's pretty. It's cool. It's a lot of cool art. Art show was a fail. We had absolutely no idea what was going on. It wasn't even a show, it was more like an auction, which we knew it was gonna be an auction, but we were supposed to get like champagne and a free painting. Like the workers didn't really explain to us what was going on, and just, you know, we just left. So now we're about to do the real fun stuff, right, Bubby? He was a little ticked because he didn't understand what was going on. I didn't understand what was going on. Nobody really understood what was going on, so we just decided to leave, and now we're about to get ready to go to the Lido deck, eat, drink, hang out, just soak up some sun for a little bit, spend time with each other.
I'm sure we ain't white either, but we can't be in the sun all day.
No, we'll probably find some shade to be in or something. So, it happens. You try new things and then it just fails miserably.
Stupid, man. They ain't said nothing to us, man. They been mad. I almost got mad at her, but...
He thought about it. He thought about it. Nah. He can't, because I didn't do anything wrong, so you can't be mad at me. So, but yeah, so now we're gonna just head out, go get some sun, fun, water, drinks, and have a good time. We definitely try to originally find somewhere to sit so we can just like enjoy the pool and stuff like that, but there were no empty areas to sit at, so then we decided to come get something to eat. I had a taco salad. He had Five Guys Burgers joint again. It's really good, and we actually discovered something else that's really, really good. It's not like we discovered it, but their cookies, girl, bomb. Like the cookies are amazing. So he actually just left to go get us some more cookies because they are so good. So hopefully when we go back to the Serenity deck, which is like the 21 and up deck, we can find a place there to chill out at. If not, we're gonna go up to the upper deck and just chill out there by the pool and enjoy ourselves, because we don't want to be stuck in our rooms, because we could do that at home. So we're gonna try to make the best out of it, eat our way through it, have fun, laugh our way through it. So not drink our way through it, because drinks are way too expensive, and alcohol and meat do not mix. So we're just gonna enjoy it and have a good rest of the evening. I already have on my bathing suit and my cover up, and I'm hoping to get in somebody's water. So, but it's a little windy out here today. It's not as like warm as I thought. And again, we are sitting in shade, so that probably could be why. And I'm not motion sickness anymore. Like, the boat is cruising and it's good, like way better than what I expected. So the ginger pills really help. So if you're afraid that, you know, you're gonna get motion sickness or you're prone to motion sickness, try ginger pills. And all it is a ginger capsule, and it's just ginger, and ginger is a good remedy for motion sickness, nausea, and things like that. So it helped us, and it's been helping us. Like, he has to remind me to take them. So they've been helping us. I'm trying to wait for him to come back with these cookies. I don't know what they look like, but it doesn't seem like he's coming back anytime soon. So I don't know where he is, but nope, that's not him. So whenever he gets back, he has the cookies. I'll show you what they look like. There he is. What is this?
No time with you.
Oh man, and I was just talking about me not getting any drinks because me and alcohol don't mix, meaning like it makes me sleepy. Yeah, it makes me sleepy.
You with me? I got you.
No, you're so sweet, love. You only got 3 cookies?
Yeah, only what you mean? That's a lot.
3 isn't a lot. These are the cookies I was just talking about.
Bruh.
Sugar cookies.
It's Myra. They good.
They were bomb. This is amaretto sour. What's that?
Adios. What up? 1836.
What's 1836?
Total.
For 2 drinks? Oh my god, never again.
Well, you ain't paid for it.
So I'll drink this one because I didn't pay for it.
I'm gonna start paying that thing.
Yeah.
Dang.
You definitely should. Is your drink good?
It's good.
Is it strong?
Yeah. It's not something like the other one. But it's still trying to ask you for an extra shot to your drink. For $50. Hey, no, for $2. And I get it.
What he say?
He said no. Right?
Yeah. Good. I don't need it.
Huh?
I don't need it.
Yeah, but you know, yeah, I try to use it. You know what I'm saying? Straight.
I know. Thanks, love. What are you do now? Uh-oh. You know what time it is. Hey. He was so fun. What are you gonna do now?
Up to you, I mean, I'm chilling. I left my glass, so we can take these 2 back to the room. Wash them out. There you go.
Alright, well. Huh? Yeah, it's good. It doesn't taste like back at home style amarettas. But no, you good. Have some. But it's straight. I don't really taste no liquor in it.
It's not something
Yeah, it don't taste like it is back at home. But it's straight though. I wouldn't buy it again. I wouldn't.
way up there.
We're like outside of here.
Right here, but way up there.
Yep. And we were just talking about why people think the earth is flat. Like, bruh, it's so stupid. So stupid.
Look out there. You may see what? About 30 or 40 miles out there. But you only see a
snippet, yeah. People are crazy. But there was a ship that was near us. But that ship is all the way back there. I don't know if you can see it. Alrighty. get stuck? He must have got stuck. Oh, there he is. I didn't even see it. How was it?
I had trouble right there.
That shit was like he must have got stuck. How was it?
I got stuck right there. This goddamn hairpin. I got stuck right there. I got stuck.
We just rode this side.
Maybe because I was okay, man. I didn't mean.
But how was it though?
It was straight there. It wasn't that bad.
It was. I got like water all in my glasses.
It's cute, girl.
It was so much fun though. You gonna do it again?
Yeah, come on, man.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. We'll be back. Yeah, we just had so much fun.
Like a little kid, man.
Like, it was
real
so much fun. We did the slides, the one I showed y'all when he came down. And then we also did like a racing slide. They have these two side-by-side steep slides. Yeah, I think I won two, but that jump was scary. You hear me? Like, never, I'm not doing that one no more. Like,
I'll do it again, but she's gonna tell you. It was real fun. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
yeah, so right now we're just chilling out, catching some sun. We don't need it.
No, they might need it, but we don't need it.
We don't need it, but we go yeah, so we just out here enjoying ourselves. We'll probably leave here shortly in about 30-45 minutes. Go get showered, chill out for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to a Divas show.
Oh yeah.
A comedy show, and we have dinner. So those are the last three things that we're doing tonight.
I don't know what we're doing dinner though.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So we'll figure out dinner when dinner comes. So.
Figure it out.
But keep you guys posted. But this is so much fun though.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, it really is. I'm gonna enjoy myself. On the next cruise, I'm gonna really enjoy myself.
Yeah.
I was kind of holding back on this one.
And then this one is more talking to the people on the bus. I'm so proud of him. He's come out of his shell because he normally talks about me talking to everybody. But I talk to anybody. Like, it don't matter to me.
You're like Big Mom.
Like, yeah, I'm just like my mom. My mom talks to anybody and everybody. So I'll talk to anybody. This one, he won't talk to nobody. But this trip has really opened him up. So I am so blessed to be on this trip with him. Out of all people, I wouldn't trade it for anything. So it's been awesome. It's been awesome. So, alright, well, keep you guys posted. Oh! There he is. I thought I was gonna get him. Look at his face, y'all. You good, man? That was fast. That was so fast.
Every time.
That was
slowing down.
It was so fast.
Number 87 and number 10 moving at the same time. 1-yard penalty. Second down.
So our dinner time was at 6.
By the way, this is
And it's
the
like
second
after
most penalized
6:30.
team in the league. This is Holton Kansas
And we
back
still
in
have
somebody's
not
game.
left for dinner
And
yet.
they've gotten penalized the most yardage
This
as
is a
well.
dress up.
We saw in the first
That
half
I'm
of all
wearing.
the false starts. Yeah, they've had 6 for the game. And
Hopefully we'll get out of these. Babe, you ready?
penalties on the offense.
In a minute.
Yeah, it's just they gotta stop that.
So the Chiefs and Cowboys are playing, so that's what's making us a little torty for the party. So as soon as he's ready, we can go to dinner. Hopefully they'll still let us in for dinner. I don't know. I don't know how this works. I don't know how late you can be before they say, no, you can't come. So right now we're late. Very, very, very late. So.
Penalty, Jim. One area today's a great litmus test for these guys.
Really sleeves. It's not the coolest dress ever. It is a little short, but yeah. It's the worst of my mama. It is a little short, girl. But these sleeves are so cool. And he looks really good. Baby, come here. Come here. Look at him. He's buttoned up in his khakis. He looks so cute. Alright, you ready, love?
Well, after the drive, we can go. Third down. Hopefully we get a touchdown with Chelsea.
Alright, hopefully. Because I'm hungry. Look at him. Why?
Hey, here we go.
You look awesome. Everybody, thanks for coming once again, folks. Your wait staff, as I mentioned, is anxious to celebrate family, friends, great food and fun, of course.
Do a Carolina, come on the radio, take your shirt off, twist it around there, do it like that.
Enjoy all the good shows and activities that we have. And tomorrow we'll be in a beautiful port of called Nassau.
This is what I had for dinner. This is blue crab ravioli, as well as duck.
6 p.m.
And he has prime rib. You can't see it's really dark in here, but yeah, it's good.
Solo.
So you solo?
1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, 3, 2.
Kissy, kisses, and kisses. To sing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kissy, kissy. Happy birthday.
Good job, solo.
Make a wish. I know that. Maybe 5. 5 kids.
Oh my God. So we're back in our room now. We just got done with the Diva show. It was okay. Yeah, it was okay. There wasn't a lot of diversity in the group, let's say that. You know, it was okay though. It was alright. But we came back to our room and our
housekeeper.
Yeah, she left us.
Mia.
Ma is her name.
Oh.
She left us some sweets. Just a little something sweet for our sweet guest.
Ma.
Shout out to Ma. Yes, this is what she got us. BM. We don't know what this is. So we're about to try it together. Let's see what it is. All right, you got one? Oh, it breaks apart.
Shit.
I don't know what that is.
Do it put a heart in it, baby? Not bad, I don't think.
It's chocolate, whatever it is. Let's see. All right. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Looks like it looks like some type of cookie.
Yo, no.
No, because the red stuff tastes different. This it tastes different. But it's not like a bad different.
It ain't bad. It's just different.
Mm-hmm.
Not that bad, yo.
I don't know.
It did say sweet gas. You know what I'm saying? But little anniversary gift right here. My baby right here.
He's so sweet. Alright, let's try these cookies.
Alright, might do the cookies, but cookie might be alright.
She did leave us 2 big bottles of water too yesterday. So hopefully every day we come here we got. Oh, and look at our little stuff. I don't know what this is.
Stingray. It's a stingray.
Oh, it's a stingray. Isn't
got
that cute? Yeah, oh, we got more pillows this time too. So every time we come here, we get more pillows.
Stingray. Back to the. I'm gonna get you though. Munch. How is it? Oh, what is it? First of all, what is it? And how is it? Your face don't look too good. Your face look like, no what?
Too bad.
Is it 2 cookies or 1 cookie?
It's it's a cookie, right?
Yeah.
Could use a little salt.
A little butter too.
A little more sugar.
A little everything.
A little vanilla. I don't know. So weird.
Lemon according to her. What's that right there? Cause it's made. The 2 different ones or what?
Mom can keep those. So the comedy show starts at 9:30.
You sure you want to go to both of them now?
No, I just want to go to. It don't matter to me. Which you want to? You want to go to 9:30 or 11:30? 11. Because
Everything might be that laid out.
Exactly. So 9:30. It's free. So I figure I go to that. And we're gonna chill out for the rest of the evening. So hopefully I can video in there a little bit of it, but maybe not. So more to come there.